Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Chevy Traverse. This is a rear entry, brand new conversion, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps here, they pinch, they keep these ramps from rattling. It's a great design, one on each side. You got a handle on the driver's side, you got a handle on the passenger side. You can take this down using only your index finger. Very easy to do. The ramp is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than a side entry van. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base where the ramp sets. You can see it has 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or possibly even a gurney or a stretcher. Got your spare tire right there. Very clean van. A few scuffs in it. You know, it's been used as a 3-year-old, not van, SUV, I'm sorry. Got these jump seats here, about 25.5 inches of room between those. There's quite a bit of room in there. Rear air, all your plugs there. The dash looks pretty solid. Steering wheel controls, you can keep your eyes on the road. Rear view camera, dual climate control. I do see one little scuff in the dash right there. Just want to show you that. Not a big deal, but I'm trying to show you everything that I see, and I hope you can tell in our videos I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. When you get everybody secure, and we do give a free set of pull tight Q-straight tie downs away with each van. Come back out here, look at that, 1 finger. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. Just like so. Shut her down. You're ready to roll. I did all that with just 2 fingers. Quick walk around to this little Traverse. Kind of this gunmetal silver. I'm not sure what the exact color it is, but it's real slick. Tinted windows, alloy wheels, Bridgestone tires, nice name brand tire. The rear are 8/32, the front are 7/32. So not quite brand new, but pretty darn close to it. Got the dual exhaust, and boy, these things look slick. If you're someone that needs a mobility vehicle, but you don't want to do the minivan thing or a big full-size bus, boy, these Traverses are a great option. They look real sharp. I drive one of these full-time, one of our black ones, with the mobility ones, for marketing and advertising, and I get people complimenting me all the time on how nice these things look, and they can't believe this is a mobility vehicle and just how clean it looks. On the interior, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. And speaking of that VIN number, you can go to our website at mobility316.com. We've got a free Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. You can show no accidents or damage, 1 owner, 7 service records, so it's exactly what we're looking for. Carfax guaranteed. There's no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon on the title. No total losses, no structural damage, no airbags deployed. Odometer checks out good, no accidents, no open recalls. So everything exactly what we're looking for. You can see it's been serviced regularly too. So when we buy a used vehicle, this is what we're looking for. Now back to the vehicle. The interior very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I don't smell signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Got your power windows and locks, of course. These rear seats, like I said, are brand new. Just give you a different angle, different perspective of the Traverse. Much the same on the passenger side. Just a super clean vehicle. Darn near brand new condition. Still got our owner's manual in there. Comes with 2 key fobs. Got your 2 key fobs there for keyless entry. And this has the push button start, so if the key is in your purse, your pocket, wherever it might be, you can just fire it right up with push button. You can see there's no check engine lights on, no airbags, only 21,896 miles on this little SUV. Backup camera there as well. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. We not only check the big and the small, but we check the small too. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks. We check everything, heat, air, cruise. You'll notice if you go out. Sorry, I had a couple fire trucks come by. I had to stop the video for a minute. But if you go out and you notice, if you've been used car shopping, a lot of these dealers or Facebook or Craigslist, wherever you're shopping, they don't give you the whole story. You get out there and it's got a check engine light on, or a transmission slipping, or it's got a big dent they didn't tell you about. That's not how I do business here. Under the hood here, you can see it idles smoothly. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. This is exactly what we're looking for on a used vehicle. As I crawl underneath, much of the same. The Very clean, no bent metal from an accident. That's just the air conditioner dripping back there. It's supposed to do that. Overall, super clean. Exactly what we're looking for. And you know, when people are used car shopping, that's the #1 mistake they make. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it's a 2018. They assume because the miles are low. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it's a good vehicle. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume that a few pictures are going to tell them the whole story, and nothing could be further from the truth. 80% of the time, that's absolutely wrong. And do you want to take a risk with your hard-earned money, with maybe your life savings, over a couple pictures? You know, get out and demand a detailed video like this. If they're going to try and sell you a vehicle for $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000, and they won't get off their backside and they won't make a detailed video like this, and of course you're welcome to have this inspected if you want as well. I welcome it. But very clean vehicle, and don't be one of those people that gets burned. People get burned on the internet every day. They lose their life savings. Don't be one of those people. Demand a detailed video like this, and if you don't, and the vehicle shows up and it's not what you're expecting, you only have yourself to blame. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy, that it runs and drives great. Once I get straightened out, you can see that steering wheel is nice and straight. All exactly what we're looking for. No vibration, nothing like that in the steering. With that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. So talk to me about those. The specs, it does come with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion, and a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from GMC Chevy as well. And look, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vehicles. Keep in mind, you know, we're not all the same as far as reputation. On eBay, we have over 800 transactions. All 800 people left us positive feedback. That means 800 people said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong. I'd say that's a pretty good track record. On our Google reviews last I saw, we had a 4.7 out of 5 stars. Lots of people saying a lot of great things about us. And as far as, you know, the competition, a lot of them have a real nice price online. Beware of those dealers out there trying to pull gimmicks and tricks. They've got administrative fees, dock fees, tag fees, not to mention then you have to pay for shipping. That real nice price you saw online with the other dealers, the competition, then you factor in all these fees and shipping. Next thing you know, it's $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 higher than what you're expecting. With us, the price is what you see to get it to your door. So just because it looks better online, 99.99% of the time it's not going to be better. And no one in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting like affordable mobility. Nice hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. But like I said, we do detailed videos like this. We have Carfax reports. We're happy to provide references, look at our reviews. Nobody in the country goes out of their way to make sure you know exactly what you're getting like we do. Also, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take one over the phone. We can send one to your email. Let us know how we can help. And if you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to call Mobility Works or Big VMI or Big Braun Company or Freedom Motors, and I want you to ask them, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. That way, in case there's an issue, I don't have to be put on hold by 5 different people. I don't have to end up in somebody's voicemail. I can just call or text the owner and find out what's going on. Do they care enough about customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Give it a shot. Let me know how that works out. I'd be interested to hear. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, check us out at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Yes, we do take trade-ins. Talk to me how that would work if you're out of state. We've done it before, and we'll do it again, I'm sure. So let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.